Hi, I'm Bertrand Techman coming back at you with another video. Now in this video, I'm going to talk about some accessories that you will want to have for your Galaxy Z Fold 3. Let's check it out.
Be strong.
Okay, so we know that our Galaxy Z Fold 3 is a very expensive phone. And a very expensive phone definitely needs to be protected. So, the first thing that we're going to talk about is the flip cover case with pin for the Galaxy Z Fold. Now, this is Samsung's own case. Let's find out what comes inside the box. Okay, so inside of the box, you see you have your case itself. You have some extra tips, you have the instruction manual, and you also have the pen. Now, the case is unique because, first of all, you can separate the pen from the case, which makes it very nice. Now it has a antimicrobial finish to it. It's made out of plastic, but it's well built and seems to be pretty durable. Now let's put the phone on it and see how it fits on the phone. Well, you'll notice that it fits the phone perfectly, of course, and that's what we would expect. Now, when you open the flap, it turns it on. When you close the flap, it turns it off, which is nice. Now, as far as protection is concerned, you'll notice that it protects probably about maybe, I would say 60% of the phone. The one side of the phone is completely protected and the other side isn't. But it leaves space for your speakers and also space for your speaker on the bottom as well as your USB charging port. And you'll notice though, when you open it up, this extends out a little bit. And the reason, evidently, that has something to do with physics because it wouldn't be able to fold the way that it folds if it didn't extend out that way. So I understand that. Some people don't like that. Now, overall, I say the quality of the case is really good. The fact that you can add your stylus to it, you simply take it and place it and slide it on like so, and now you have your stylus with you. Now, the only thing that I can say about this case that is a negative is the fact that it flaps. I don't know why they didn't add a magnet or some type of clip or something to keep that on, but you have it. Now, you can charge your phone through it, but they recommend that you take your phone off if you're going to take the case off if you're going to wirelessly charge it. And here again, you see everything is all nice, neat, and made for it. One thing that I don't like about this case is the fact that it don't protect the camera. In many of the cases that you have, they don't protect the camera, and I don't understand that. If you damage that camera, that's going to be about $200 or $300 of expense. So I would prefer to have my camera protected if at all possible, or even if it was even raised up just a little bit more, that's just not enough for me. But overall, I say that the case is definitely high quality. I don't think that it's worth $79, but after I've used it for about a week, it's kind of growing on me and I kind of like it. Now, a link will be in the description below for this case. Now, if you don't like that case, I decided to get another one, and I bought this one. Is for the it's the VR Premium case, and pay no attention to that. I'll explain that to you in a minute. But basically, what this is VR makes some very nice cases, and their designs are very futuristic, and it's made specifically for the Z Fold. Now, when I put this case on, I really like the way that it looked. Let me show you. Now, that's very futuristic. The look and the feel, I really like that. I feel like it's giving me some raised protection here, and I feel like it's protecting the phone here. The only thing about it's not protecting this part of the phone, but everything else is protected. It has a kickstand so that you could use it to kick that out and place your phone down. I like that. It's nice. And I really like the way that it looks. It looks futuristic. So what I found out was when I went to charge my, I noticed that this would not fit correctly. So then it dawned on me to check the box. And voila, I ordered the one for the Fold 2. Now I'm going to send this one back. This is metal black. I'm gonna send this one back, and they're gonna send me one for the Fold 3, and it's supposed to be exactly like this one. If that is the case, then I can certainly recommend this case. I like it. I think I paid like about maybe $35 for it, so it's half the price of this one. But there is no way to carry the stylus on this, so you'll have to take the stylus separately, and that's one of the drawbacks. But other than that, it's really a nice case. Okay, so the next thing we're going to look at is we're going to look at the S Pen Fold Edition. Now, this is basically, if you don't want to buy the case and you just want to get the S Pen itself, this is the one that you want to get. It's the Fold. You have the Fold and you have the Pro. The Pro costs just a little bit more. This one comes basically with the case, a case, the stylus, and some extra tips, and then a user manual. Now, you can use this, of course, to write on your tablet. It writes perfectly, so you don't have to worry about it. You could use this to do anything that you want to do, write, draw, or what have you. Now, I think this one was about maybe $50, and a link will be in the description below for this one as well. And finally, the last thing we had here is the Galaxy Buds 2. Now, I really like these, and I can say that I have a full review on this that will help you to appreciate why I like them so much. Just a basic rundown. You get about 5 hours of playtime, 20 hours with the case. It is water resistant to a certain level. It has active noise cancellation on it. The phone call quality is really good, both outgoing and incoming calls. They can hear you and you can hear them pretty clearly. The Bluetooth is a Bluetooth 5.2, so you're getting about more than 33 feet, which is the norm. You probably get about 50 feet of good connection. It can be used to wireless charge. You can charge it with your phone, reverse charging on your phone, and charge it up that way as well. Now, this is going for about $150, but I suspect the price will go down on these soon. So this has been a quick review of some of the accessories that you can use with your Galaxy Z Fold 3. Now, all of these things are going to give you a certain amount of protection, and it's going to really help you to use your Galaxy Z Fold 3 to its full potential. If you found value in this quick review, hit that like button, subscribe, ring the bell, and comment. Let me know. Is there anything here that you think that you would like to get? And if so, why? I'm Bertrand Techman. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. And remember, before you buy anything, always first, check it out.
Be strong.